How to buy Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can get or buy an Amazon Prime subscription or premium account. In order to buy a subscription on Amazon Prime, first of all, you need to install the application. For that, go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the Play Store type in Amazon Prime Video. After that, click on the install button located right in the corner. In my case, I've already installed, so click on the open button and then log in into your account or create an account. Now in my case, I've already logged in, or that I already have an account. So currently I have a free trial period. So in order to buy a subscription, click on the profile icon located right on top. It's going to direct you to the page of your profile information. So click on the gear icon located right on top. You'll be directed to the settings page. Over here, scroll down a bit, go ahead and tap on manage account. So then to set a premium account, you'll need to set up a payment method first of all. So click on set payment method first of all, and after that provide in the card details. That includes entering the name on the card number, expiry date, and click on the add button. After, as soon as you're done entering the card information, it will be verified, and if it has been successfully verified, then you'll be able to buy a subscription. You can go through the plans and premium. That is how you can buy Amazon Prime. So in this way, you can buy Amazon Prime subscription. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.